Today I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process that you can follow to make money with Wealthy Affiliate from scratch. This is the same process that I would follow if I was starting over again today. And this method isn't just theoretical, but it's backed by real results. Take Daniel, for example, who pocketed $1,100 in just 7 days. Or Michael, who's constantly raking in over 40k a month. And then there's Rupi. He scored an impressive $40,051 in just 30 days. These success stories are proof that this method works right here and right now. And if we haven't met yet, my name's Simon, and almost 10 years to the day, I took the leap and joined Wealthy Affiliate. Since then, I've gone on to build several successful affiliate marketing businesses, generated millions in revenue, and even become recognized as an official super affiliate. Now I talk about entrepreneurship, my wins, my losses, and sometimes hilarious mishaps in order to help you build your online empire in 2024 and beyond. Now we're going to do a deep dive, and I'm going to walk you through the 7 steps that you can take to start making money with Wealthy Affiliate today. But just before we do that, let's quickly just cover what Wealthy Affiliate is and how they can help you achieve massive affiliate marketing success. So Wealthy Affiliate is the most popular affiliate marketing platform with step-by-step training, cutting-edge affiliate tools and site builders, and an active community of over 2.6 million members. At its core, Wealthy Affiliate is an all-in-one solution with a wide range of tools, courses, and resources to help both beginner affiliates and more experienced affiliates earn commissions online. So I really like Wealthy Affiliate. It's where I got my start, and I think it is the best starting point for beginners who are looking to build a real online business. One of the standout features of Wealthy Affiliate is its structured approach. You get a step-by-step course to follow with assigned action steps in every lesson, meaning that you can earn while you learn. And trust me, having a proven roadmap to follow really makes all the difference, especially when you're just starting out. Alright, so let's dive in and start with step 1, which is joining Wealthy Affiliate. Now the really cool thing about Wealthy Affiliate is you can test drive the whole platform for free with a starter membership before deciding whether or not you want to upgrade to Premium or Premium Plus. So I'll drop that link down below, and if you join Wealthy Affiliate through that link, you'll also have me as your personal mentor and affiliate coach. So click that link and you're going to land on a page that looks a little something like this. All you have to do to create your free account is just enter your email address and click join for free. No credit card details required. Alright, so now you're in the members area. First things first is you want to create a profile for yourself. This is really going to help you when you're interacting within the community. So all you need to do is add just a nice image of yourself and a short little blurb. Just tell people a little bit about you. So here's my profile as an example. So feel free to use that. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and set your online income goals. When you first join Wealthy Affiliate, you'll find a page like this, which is where we set our earnings goals. So, it could be whether it's $500 a month, 5,000, 20,000 plus. You can choose, go ahead there and choose what your earnings goal is. So what I would say is, whether it's your goal to just earn extra income on the side, or whether you want to go all in and replace your full-time income with Wealthy Affiliate, then everything is possible and the sky is the limit. So dream big and set big goals for yourself. Then once you've set those goals, simply click continue here, and we're going to choose our own niche. Just click continue. And so now you've done that, you're ready to move on to step 2, which is choosing a topic. So this is the time to explore your hobbies and your interests, and just think about what your favorite kind of topics are. Doing this is going to not only boost your chances of success massively, but it's also going to make the whole process of building an online business that much more enjoyable. So for me, I'm into hitting the gym, mastering the Thai language, and jet setting to new destinations around the world. So any one of these topics would be a great choice for me. But there's a lot of things that I really am not passionate or interested in. For example, DIY projects, anything technology related, and football. If I were to go into any one of those niches, it would literally be like pulling teeth. So yeah, definitely pick a topic that you enjoy. So take a minute and think about what topics you can really talk about for hours. What kind of problems you enjoy solving, and what your favorite hobbies are and what you're most passionate about. Let's take a look at this list of hobbies just to get some idea. So, it could be fitness, you could be into fashion or travel. It could even be something, gardening, sewing. They're huge topics that you can make money on with affiliate marketing. Winemaking even. handicraft, hiking, model building. You know, the list just goes on and on. Any one of these topics can be a great topic to build your affiliate marketing business around. So once you've landed on a topic that you really like, you want to go ahead and enter it here. So for me, I'm just going to put gardening for now and click search. Then this powerful AI tool is going to kind of help you narrow down your niche to make it a little bit more specific, and that's going to help you find a more profitable niche. So as you can see here, I've got a list of gardening sub-niches that I can run with. And by narrowing down your topic, you're going to find it a lot easier to target a more specific audience and also be able to stand out as an authority in this topic. So just pick your favorite topic and run with it. You can turn any one of these niches into a 10K a month income or more. So now that we've pinpointed your niche, it's time to move on to step 3, which is create your brand. So your brand is going to be the name of your website moving forward, and also the name of your business. So we want to pick something here that's kind of short, catchy, and easy to remember. And now with Wealthy Affiliates AI tools, what used to take hours of brainstorming can now be done in less than 60 seconds. So once you've selected your niche in the previous step, you can click continue here, and then you're going to see a list of custom suggestions based on your niche selection that you can run with. And you can also enter your own brand name idea. If you have your own idea, you can enter that in there as well. So for me, I've chosen vertical gardening as my niche, and I really like urban grow. I think that's really cool. So just have a look on there. You can regenerate more ideas if you need to, or you can scan, and once you find one that you like, click choose this brand, finish, and build my hub. And congratulations, you just created your very first Wealthy Affiliate Hub. You unlocked some of the core training, and you've also laid the groundwork for the next step, which is building your website. So I'll show you my example website on vertical gardening, Urban Grow, right? This is the website. As you can see, it's very basic, but what you can do now is log into the back end of your site and actually customize it, personalize it. So you can change the layout, you can choose a theme, you can add a nice logo on there, you can change the font, you can change anything you want to make it your own. And in fact, if you go through the Wealthy Affiliate training within your hub, it's going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. So it's going to walk you through how to log in, how to publish your first post, how to add images, and all that good stuff. So you definitely want to go through it lesson by lesson without skipping a step. Follow along with that, and your website will be beautiful. It'll be a website you can be proud of. That's going to be the foundation. It's going to serve as the foundation of your affiliate marketing business moving forward. And one thing that you probably should know is that as a free starter member, your domain name, that's the name of the website, will be your brand name, whatever that is, .siterubics.com. So if you do want your own .com domain, so it'll be yourbrand.com domain, then I highly recommend that you upgrade to either Premium for $49 a month or Premium Plus for $99 a month. Or you can go yearly and get like a 20% discount, something like that. WordPress is a bit of a learning curve at the beginning, just as you're figuring out how to use it. But don't worry, I'm on hand at any time. If you ever struggle, have any problems, DM me, shoot me a message, and I'll be right there to help you however I can. And also, as a member of Wealthy Affiliate, you're going to have access to the technical team 24/7. So if you ever have any difficulties whatsoever, raise a ticket with them and they'll help you out. Anything to do with domains, hosting, anything like that. So now that your website is up and running, it's time to publish content. So content creation is going to be the engine that drives people to your site from search engines like Google. After all, traffic is the lifeblood of any online business, and it's getting people coming to your site that's going to generate those clicks, those sales, and revenue for you. So now the question is, what kind of content should you create? Well, the good news is within your Wealthy Affiliate Hub, you're going to find a treasure trove of content ideas. So just take a look at those. You're going to have blog topics and ideas, unique content ideas, best of, top 10. So yeah, go through those and you'll find tons of content ideas that you can run with. And you're also going to have access to the Jaxi Keyword Tool. So Jaxi Keyword Tool is going to show you the phrases or keywords that people in your target audience or people who are interested in the topic that you've chosen are searching every month in Google. So you can see here, for example, I've got here, what is a vertical vegetable garden? I can see under average, under this column here, that gets searched on average per month 1,141 times. So that is definitely a good keyword or post title that I can create content around that's going to bring people to my website from Google. So armed with this knowledge, you can create content that not only resonates with your audience, but also ranks high in Google search results. So now let's talk about actually creating the content. So this used to be a very slow and very painful process. But now, thanks to Wealthy Affiliates AI content creators, which are new for 2024, that's no longer the case. Now you can create high quality posts that rank in Google and bring that traffic and generate sales in just a fraction of the time. So here's how it works. You simply put in your keyword idea from Jaxi or your post title idea here. So for me, I've just copied and pasted this from Jaxi. What is a vertical vegetable garden? And then you add any additional details here. So if you want any specific stats or information included, maybe you want to add kind of what kind of tone, you want it to be informal, formal, helpful, in this kind of style, this kind of writing style, you can add that in here. And then you just choose your content length. So for me, I'm just going to go with 700 to 1,000 words, 3 sections, and then click create content outline. And this is going to bring up a complete outline for your post in just, give it a couple of seconds and let the AI do its thing. Okay, about 20 seconds later, and here's my content article. As you can see, it's got the different sections. I can go in and either delete whole sections if I don't want them added, if I don't like them, or I can actually edit them as well. So I can say, okay, I like this, I want to add that. And you can also add your own talking points to each section. But I think just for the case of this example, I'm going to say that's fine. And we're going to click next and pick an AI author. So you can either write it yourself or pick an AI author. So right now, they might add more in the future, but right now we have a choice between professional copywriter or conversational blogger. You can also, you can view their writing samples here just to get an idea of kind of what their writing style is. For now, I'm going to go with conversational blogger, a little bit more informal, and then simply create article. And that might take a minute or two, but what the Wealthy Affiliate AI is doing right now is just creating that article for you. This is going to be high quality, 100% original and unique. So I'm going to pause the video here and we'll come back to when we get the actual article back. Okay, so here we have it here. You can see it's got an intro in there, got the sections in there. 864 words, that's ready to publish. But what I would say is before, you don't just want to go ahead and publish it on your site. You always want to go through it, add your own voice, your own style, your own personality, add a bit of humor in there. Just add the human touch to it. Make it your own basically. But once you've gone through it, edited it, make sure it's all correct, and you're happy with the post, go ahead and you can hit publish, and that will be published directly onto your website and live on the web. So as you can see, with Wealthy Affiliates AI content creator, the process of creating content is now so much easier. You don't have to start with a blank slate, and the whole writing process has just become 10 times more efficient. Now we're ready to move on to step 6, which is promoting products. So once you've got, I'd say 20 or 30 posts on your website and you're starting to get decent traffic from Google, it's time to start making some money. So Wealthy Affiliate teach that the best way to make money with your website is through a process called affiliate marketing, where you simply recommend or promote other people's products and services in return for a commission. So whatever your niche or your topic is, think about products or services that you can recommend that are related and relevant to that topic. So for example, if you have a travel website, then you can make money through that website by promoting things like travel insurance, flights, hotels, luggage, that kind of thing, things that relate to travel. If you have a fitness website, then you can promote things like workout plans, diet plans, supplements, workout gear, that kind of thing. So how do you find products to promote? Well, that's easy. Just type your topic into Wealthy Affiliates affiliate program search, and you're going to be presented with a whole list of affiliate programs that you can join for free. So for example, I've chosen the gardening niche. So I'm just going to type in gardening and see what comes up. Yeah, gardening direct, Burpee Gardening, so many options here. And I can, click on any of these, get the details. You can find out every affiliate program will offer different commission rates, obviously offer different products. So you definitely want to, do your bit of research, find out a bit about the affiliate program before joining up. And once you sign up to an affiliate program, they're going to give you your unique affiliate link that's unique to you to make sure that you get credited for every sale that you generate. Then you simply add that link where it makes sense within your content, and every time someone finds your website from Google, lands on your page, clicks on your link and buys, you earn a commission and get paid. So now that you've chosen a niche, you've built a website, you've added content, and you've joined affiliate programs and added affiliate links to within your content, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is scaling up your income. The best advice I can give you if you're truly serious about maximizing your income through Wealthy Affiliate is to just immerse yourself in the vast array of courses and classes that are available inside the members area. Take action on every lesson and feel free to reach out with any questions. You can ask questions within the live chat area, within the Q&A sections below each lesson, and you can even DM me directly. I'm here to help you however I can. And remember, you're never alone in this journey. Wealthy Affiliate have a vibrant, active and very friendly community of over 2.6 million fellow affiliate marketers. So make the most of it. We can celebrate your wins together, you can share your progress updates, we can help you overcome any challenges or questions that you may have. So yeah, make the most of the community, amazing community that you have access to. And now you've laid a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing business, it's time to rinse and repeat and scale up. So if you have 20 posts on your website, why not aim high and go for 200 posts? That's going to give you more rankings, more traffic, more clicks, more sales, and more money in your pocket. So keep pushing forward, keep growing, keep learning, keep scaling up your income, and you've got this. And the last thing I would say is that success with Wealthy Affiliate is not about luck. It's about following the right strategy, and it's about having the grit and the determination to see it through. And with all the AI tools and resources you have available at your fingertips within Wealthy Affiliate, you're really giving yourself the best chances of success. Do you have any idea how many people dream about having an online business, but never have the guts and the courage to actually take that first step and make it happen? Instead, all they do is sit around watching Netflix for hours, talking about the online business that they're never gonna start. So be one of the few and get started today. Click that link below in the description. As someone who's been doing this for 10 years now, who's earned millions in commissions, and I can now work anywhere, anytime. Right now it's Bangkok, Thailand. I can absolutely tell you it's 100% worth it.